It's all about vocabulary. Here's an exercise you can do with your preschooler to familiarize your child with some common prepositions that have big math implications for later. I've set up what actually will turn out to be a number line that has some art supplies on both ends of it. And I'm going to try to discuss and work the vocabulary, this preschool math vocabulary, into my discussion with the child, deciding whether this butterfly is closer to the scissors or the markers. So if you were to put two items out, two of your child's toys out on the floor, separate them, and then have some other item, perhaps a stuffy, that goes between them, you would be able to use some of this vocabulary and discuss if the butterfly is near to the markers or the scissors. So I'm just going to hold butterfly up and we'll discuss some of this. Is this butterfly more toward the scissors or to the markers? You might ask your child. How about here? It's the butterfly is anywhere that I put the butterfly is going to be between the markers and the scissors. But if the butterfly is here, is it closer to the markers or to the scissors? If the butterfly is flying toward the scissors, is it closer now to the scissors or the markers? How about if it's about here? If you have the butterfly right in the middle, it's kind of hard to tell whether the butterfly is closer to the markers or the scissors. But what about now? How about here? How about over here? If I was to take a thread or a piece of ribbon and put it between the two halves of the board, let's put this here, it might be easier to tell if the butterfly is closer to the markers or the scissors. Right now, it's right in the middle. It's the same distance to the markers or to the scissors. But if I come over this way, it's closer to the markers. If I go past the ribbon to this side, it's closer to the scissors. I hope you're shouting out where it is. Now it's on the markers. Here it's near or around the scissors. But the closer I come to the middle, the harder it is to tell. And without the ribbon, you might not be able to say. You might not be able to judge. But if I get closer and closer to this side, then it's obvious that it's near to the scissors.